Okay, pause YouTube. I'm Birdman, and this is Dylan. Today, we will be building an enduro track. First, you need to like and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Second, turn on post notifications. Third, we're out. First, we need to get some logs. As you can tell, we don't have any. We'll be back in a minute. Now we can begin prepping. Next, we're going to go get tires to put in the enduro track, so we'll be right back. Now we have our tires. We have some more over there. Now we're going to put them into part of the track. So now we got to dig the holes for the tires to go into. We'll be back in a minute. Alright, now we got this hole dug, and I'm going to put my brand new Yokohama tires in here. So now we gotta fill the dirt in. So the track is done for the most part. Now it's time to go ride.